Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here with my very first Cheek Boss. Now, Cheek Boss is an underwear subscription. You get it each month, and for $24.99 per month, you get 3 seamless undies. You can choose thongs, cheekies, briefs, and boy shorts. Now they also have a store available where you can get tops like a bralette type deal, you can get sleep sets, and they even have accessories. Now Cheek Boss was founded by the same person that made the perfect legging. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for my very first shipment. Okay. I think the bag is cute. The little peach with all the rainbow colors. Oh, these are so cute. So here they are. They come individual. Oh my goodness. I have 4 pairs here, I think. 1, 2. This is different. This is different. What is this? This is different. I did notice on their site that you can get 2 pairs of free underwear without a subscription. So I would go check that out. So I want to see what this is. Oh, okay. It is a boy short. The way it was folded, so I did get all of mine in an extra large, and I have boy short number 1. These do look, yeah, they'll fit. I love it. Pink with blue palm trees. But yeah, I decided to try a boy short for a change. So that's 1. Oh, look at these. Let me get them all out of the bag. Okay, so after looking at all 4 of these, so it looks like I have 2 pairs of boy shorts and 2 briefs. Now, it was a little while ago that I signed up, so it's been a while. I'm thinking that I did get a free pair, and I chose the briefs so that I could try them out. So we've already seen the boy short number 1. These are a brief. I love the color. I love the pattern. It is seamless. The waistband as well. Nice. These are a boy short, and how appropriate for me considering all the fur faces that I have. So those are cute. And then here is a solid color, which actually is kind of good. I have a bra this color. But again, they're all seamless. They're all seamless. Now they did send me a card about the best leggings ever. Those are the best leggings ever. And it says that I can scan this QR code to claim my free pair, or I can go to popfitclothing.com/free to get my free pair of leggings. So I'm excited about that. And I am really excited about these. These look so comfortable. But I did try Splendies. Now, I didn't feel that Splendies had a full coverage brief. I do prefer full coverage. It's more comfortable. I mean, if you want to call them granny panties, go right ahead. But they are very comfortable. They sit nice on the waist, and it matches the pants you're wearing. You don't have an extra line going across the top. It's easier to hide the panty lines with a full brief. So I do prefer full coverage. And that's why I switched, because I tried them only once, Splendies. I tried them once, and I actually was uncomfortable because they weren't full coverage. And that is just my preference. So I just wanted to make sure I just wanted to find an underwear subscription where my whole butt was covered, and I did. And they're a little bit more expensive, but I really like these. These are seamless. They have a cotton crotch, very stretchy. Yep. So that is what I have for you today from Cheek Boss. I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.